they said celebrate science, I didn't know what to expect, but I sure didn't expect to see something like this or that worm there. But we are still very excited for celebrating science. And here with me is Steve from Cummings Inc. And this is Terry, who is the principal of Chapelwood Elementary. Tell me your name again, sweetheart. Couture. What? Don't whisper. Say it loud. Couture. And
Allison Kempers.
Allison. And who's that?
This is Hot Cheeto.
Hi, Hot Cheeto. You stay right over there. But let's talk about this amazing event as the premier science event in the state of Indiana.
Absolutely, and Cummins is super excited to once again be sponsoring this event. Been going on for a long time, and it is just a great thing to do on fall break. And the thing about celebrating science, there's so much encapsulated within the word science, so many different genres. And we have engineering through Cummins. We're going to have like a touch a truck kind of thing going on. We're going to have computer science, robots, so many hands-on activities, things our kids are going to be able to take home. And one of the big parts of that as well is animal and life and mineral science, which we have a lot of that right here as well. And so we're really excited. It's a free event. It's on October 12th from 9 to 5 at the Indiana State Fairgrounds in the Exposition Hall. And it is just a really great way to bring your kids out and really get them engaged hands-on in science. And one of the ways that we have worked to engage with more kids is partnering with Wayne Township and Chapelwood Elementary, who's here with us. We have Terry and Angela and the staff from Chapelwood here with our help to get more kids to the event.
Well, we got these two kids out of school today, so I'm pretty sure they're excited. But unless you guys are on fall break and you're just here out of the kindness of your hearts. But Allison, let's talk about what do the kids actually learn in, because I didn't get the opportunity to even see something like this. This is my first time in my 30 some odd years. That you get to experience and share with your students. You have a snail on your butt.
I sure do. I sure do. You can tell I'm like Miss Frizzle over here.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you the things that we get to do. I'm a computer science teacher and work together at Chapelwood Elementary. And Terry and Angela really support science in their building and do some amazing things. And we have a scientist right here who's actually going to feed this axolotl here on camera. And we have a worm farm, so we're sustainable in the class. And then we get to take care of animals and understand how they. Oh, you did it. Good job. And definitely understand that they need to eat. And so these are a fully aquatic salamander from Mexico, and they're called an axolotl. And those little frilly things are gills. And so she is now gonna suck that worm up and swallow it down, and they eat meat. But they're really neat for kids to be able to see these things and be able to understand how our world works. Rats too, yeah.
That is awesome. And is Hot Cheeto just one of a kind, or is there a family of Cheetos?
There is a family.
Because you could have a flaming Hot Cheeto.
Yeah. Oh, that's a smart idea.
A lemon Cheeto.
Yeah, I have a couple, but just Hot Cheeto, and the kids name them too. And I think Hot Cheeto's your favorite too, isn't it? Yeah.
What is it like to get to be able to do something like that? A lot of adults, this adult, would be so scared to do that. So how do you put on your scientific brain and go, okay, yeah, I'm gonna do this?
It was different at first, and I was like, well, maybe not, maybe I am. But then as I started getting into it and all that stuff, it was fun, and I enjoy things like this. So just being able to do this in my school and in my classroom and getting the opportunity, and we have computer science on Wednesdays, so we'll be yes, it's Wednesday, we go to computer science because we get to do all these cool things. We get to touch the rats, we get to feed axolotls, we get to explore things around her room, and it's very fun, and I do like it, and I do feel privileged to be one of the kids to do things and have fun like this.
Oh, so sweet. Is that why you do it, Terry? Is because you get to engage young minds, young brains?
Absolutely. Wayne Township and Chapelwood is an opportunity for us to expose kids to things that they may not have been exposed to before, and just giving them these opportunities and access is a wonderful idea.
And that's the point of it. You were talking about it being free, and a lot of times money is a barrier for parents, especially when you have a number of children, to get to experience things and to go for free, because maybe someone's not even gone to the fairgrounds before because they haven't been able to even go. So opportunity to go to the fairgrounds and to experience the event too.
We love it.
Okay, if someone's never been, what is 3 words to describe this event and why they need to go?
It's hands-on. So you're going to have experiments. We're going to have shows all day by Rick Crosslin, who's going to have a science show. And
Where's that, Rick? Let me see that.
In spirit today. Hi, Rick. We miss you.
You cannot escape Rick Crosslin.
Right.
Yes. Teaching these kids science.
Guy Handsome from Lilly is going to be doing a chemistry show with elephant toothpick explosions. We're going to have Legos there, touch a truck, wood stuff, life sciences, touching animals.
I'll be doing a show too.
Like,
You will.
yeah, I'll have a little class. Allison will have, there's so many things to do. Your kids are going to go home with so many things.
Oh, there's that cup building.
Yeah.
Riley is
Yeah.
busy. How'd you build all those cups so fast,
Wow,
brother?
yeah.
He is an engineer.
Yeah.
Don't let Cody knock him down.
Yeah, and it's really all ages as well. We have an early childhood area as well, which Allison's a big part of, where you have stacking cups, the wind tunnels. So we have young kid stuff all the way up to like senior in high school. There's something to engage everybody, and you're going to go home with so many things and so much inspiration.
Okay, awesome. Something, everybody, the details are going to be on lifestylelive.tv, and I'm going to send it over to those guys over there. Stay over here, baby. Don't go over there.
Nightmare on Edgewood coming up right after the break. We'll tell you all about it. We're going to get a little spooky as well. Cannot wait for that. Plus, don't forget, there's still time to chime in on our question of the day. We are asking, what was your favorite subject when you were in school? Mine was passing period.